Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Sharing Food Cultures. I'm so excited today because we're gonna share a recipe that we enjoyed so much. Please don't forget to like this video, give us a thumbs up if you like what you're seeing. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so yet, and guys, let's share food cultures together. Usually this is a live, but today we had to premiere the video. But nevertheless, it's still a video and we're still learning something. So here I have the baking soda, the sugar, the coconut, the desiccated coconut, the oil, the salt, and the baking flour, and 4 eggs. And I'm going to be using the ghee to grease the pan. And yeah, that's it for now. So let's get started. Guys, this is by no means my own recipe. I'm watching this guy from the UK and he's sharing the recipe. So I'm adding 4 eggs now, and then I'll whisk it all together. Guys, if you want to follow the ingredients of this guy, I will put his link in the description box. But I'm using it's from his ingredients, but I changed a little bit. So like I'm using less sugar, and yeah, just that. I'm using less sugar, and I'm not using vanilla extract. He uses vanilla extract, so I'm gonna be using rum extract. So can you see it? What did he just put in? Let's look again. Oh Lord. Guys, you know no matter, I need recipes to the sugar. Okay, that as well. I'm using less sugar and he uses granulated sugar. Wait. He's using granulated sugar and I'm using black sugar. He used I think 100 and I don't remember, and I'm only using half of what he used of sugar. So I'll leave all of that. I'll leave his link in the description box, and for this recipe that I'm doing, I'll probably leave in the description box as well the conversion. Okay, the rum. And I'm going to use this rum extract. Just here, I'm going to use all of this because I think that makes sense. So I'm attending an event this evening or this afternoon, and I was asked to take something. So this is what I'm taking with me. I was asked to take something to eat. So this is how it looks so far. And then I'll put the desiccated coconut.
If you don't like coconut, just add something else like raisins.
Yeah, you don't have to use coconut. You can use whatever you like. You can use almond. I mean to put the salt as well. I don't think I need all this salt. You can use almond. You can use whatever you like. So we're going to give it a good mix. And what he said, the butter is supposed to be a little bit lighter than the normal. And my butter is darker than his because I use black sugar. I use black sugar because that's what I have. I don't have granulated sugar. A little bit more mix. This tastes like it would do well with some more rum. Look at that. That looks good. Oi, I'm tired. Now I don't need to go to the gym. Oh, my workout is done for today. This is to prevent the cake from sticking to the bottom of the pan. This is super easy, by the way, just to let you know. I'm also going to put a little bit of flour. In 15 minutes. Sorry, see you in 50 minutes.
It's always been a very popular dish. Well, thank you again for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe by hitting the circle above. If you do subscribe,
this is about 55 minutes, but it's so good. Oh my god, I wonder if it's burnt. Where do we have this thing? If I bake this thing. That's the cake. It looks beautiful. I'll leave it to cool a bit and then I can cut it. Ta-da! Ta-da! That's the finished product. I like it. Okay, I'll leave that to cool and then I'll slice it and prepare it for the event. Okay, see you guys.